Hey friends, Jesse here, Falcon Trails video. We're hiding the $200 for REI up here. We were gonna do Stewart Falls, but there's avalanche warnings, so we're gonna do at Upper Falls. Unfortunately, because of the snow, the gates are blocked, so we're actually gonna have to hike through Brayden Falls to get to Upper Falls. But with me today, I've got Paul and Brayden, and Paul has actually volunteered to give and add something to the pot here.
With a couple of veteran friends of mine, we run a program called Heroes Haven. And we're gonna put this card inside the ammo box. Heroes Haven is a PTSD treatment program that we started for vets. The person that brings this card back to Jesse will get this t-shirt. Say, it's got the front there.
Yeah, very nice.
The back says, bring the hero home.
Oh, love it.
So, pretty cool. And we got our two dogs, Marty, my German Shepherd male, and Sadie, our female. They're actually in the logo for Heroes Haven.
Oh, that's cool.
This will be inside the box. When you come and get to everything with Jesse, he'll have your shirt. Jesse, this is actually your shirt for having us.
Jeez, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, super nice. Okay, Winston, you ready? Okay, let's throw it in here.
I'm familiar with these. Yeah. I've opened a few.
There was no more live ammunition in it and stuff. Put this in here. All right, let's do it. All right, go ahead. Oh, don't get the leash. Whatever. Oh. I did that once. Crap got on it, and then it was on it the whole video. I was like, son of a. Winston's scared of them. Winston, come. So we got to pass Brayden Falls to get to Upper Falls. So here we are. Oh wow, that is cool. Somebody made some sweet penguins. Brayden's our drone cameraman. He's gonna try to take a drone shot. Brayden, see how it goes if it's not frozen yet. Oh!
Hey, Sadie, leave it.
Hey, Winston. Leave it. Oh, it's gonna fall in the river. Oh shoot! I was just kidding. Oh shoot! Oh, that's gonna be an icicle. Hands just completely numb. Did it cut you?
Like a blood blister under my skin.
Oh geez. All right friends, so when you get walking up a little ways, I don't know, it's been probably 10 to 15 minutes if we didn't stop. You'll see this building right here. So you just come on the right side of this building and go all the way up to the side of the mountain, and you'll find a waterfall up there.
Just trust us.
Yeah, just trust us. And that's where we're gonna hide it. So stay tuned to see exactly where we're gonna hide it so you can find it. Here we go. Go ahead, guys. We have a pack of dogs, and I say, has somebody hiked up this recently? Can you see any footprints, or is it just snow coming down? Hey guys, yeah, this is a pretty rocky trail, so just FYI. Might be some weird steps. Exercise. Oh. Oh. Oh.
There's a good one.
Oh, somebody peed. Hope it was the dogs. He's trying to find another way. Winston, watch out. Oh, I am slipping.
German Shepherd's really bad.
Winston's like, he's mine.
So,
All right.
yeah, I think it's just right up here.
You saw how awesome Marty was and wanted to get a dog and stuff.
Gotcha.
So we spread with a friend of mine, German Shepherd.
What seems to be the problem, Brayden? It's a little deep. Winston's digging it. Go, Winston, go. We've gone 1.4 miles, 478 feet in elevation. Yeah, it's been about an hour, but we did stop and talk and throw a drone into the river, and I deserved that. Come on, go ahead, go ahead. Oh. Be a trailblazer, baby.
There's holes between the rocks.
Go, Marty.
Like I made a drop right here.
Yeah, Marty's trying to figure it out too. There we go. We're army crawling. Go ahead, Marty. Go, go. Yeah. There we go. Go, 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 go. Where are you at, Winston? Come on, go. Get. Come on. There we go. Oh, there are holes between these rocks. Oh, right in the. Oh, jeez. What is going on? Oh, hey, there's a hole there. Watch out. Oh. Hey, I'm filming this, so don't fall down. Some giant holes right there. Jeez. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. 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 Ooh, there it is. Beautiful. Go ahead, Winston. Go get him, buddy. Yeah. He looks like the dog from the Grinch. Oh, there's holes right here. So we don't really know where the holes are, so we're just gonna take it easy.
Winston found one.
Go! Go! Go up to the waterfall. Okay, guys, I'd like to hide it, I think closer to the waterfall.
See that rock face behind this tree bush right here?
Yeah?
Maybe somewhere there.
Behind the trees over there?
Yeah.
I like that. Choose the right. That's
on the right.
The right side. So not right there, because I think you can get up into there, but over to the right by this tree.
Yeah.
Okay. Go, pup. Come on, pup. Going to go? All right, I'll go. Are you gonna go? Oh, hey, buddy. So, waterfall's right there. We're gonna hide it on this little lump over here. Okay. Oh gosh.
Cameraman down.
All right.
The light's still clear, Brayden.
Oh gosh. All right, my friends. Green. We're gonna go right behind this bush right here. Watch out, Marty. Big boy. Oh gosh. All right, here we go, right here. Right there, my friends. So remember, in the box, $200 to REI, and we got a Heroes Haven t-shirt from Paul. Come and get it. First one to get it, or first one here, wins. So remember to subscribe. Check out this wonderful waterfall and this beautiful view. Let's go check out the waterfall. Oh, wow. See you next time.